everyone. This is Miss Todd, and today we're going to talk about graphs. So on my screen, you can see a graph we're going to read, and I'm going to help you with this one. So if you notice on the top here, it says recess fun. We like to call that the title of the graph. That kind of tells us what the graph is about. So the whole graph is going to be about recess fun. Then we have different parts or sides of the graph. So right here on this part, we like to call that the y-axis. And this bottom part, where the student's part is, we like to call that the x-axis. Then, where it says activities and students, those are called labels. Okay? So, the activities we see are swings, climbing jump, soccer, and slides. And then the bottom portion is students. It's counting how many students are using those different items during recess fun. So, when we are looking at each bar, we want to first figure out how many are on each line. So swings, if we follow the bar and see where it stops and goes down, it's at a 12. So swings, there are 12 students. So then let's look at the climbing dome and see where it goes down. It goes down here at the 16. 16 students are using the climbing dome. For soccer, if we follow the bar and go down where it stops, we're at 15. So 15 students are playing soccer. If we go down the slides, man, were they popular all the way down to the end with 18 students using it. So now it's going to ask us a question. It says, how many students chose the slides in soccer? So we want to make sure we're doing our 4-step process. So we want to know how many more slides than soccer. So then over here, we're going to look. We saw that there were 18 people who did slides. And for soccer, there were 15 people that did soccer. So we are going, oops, sorry about that. We are going, so let's go to this box right here. So there we're right here. We had 18 students who were on the slides. Then if we go right here and we look, it said that soccer was at 15. We have 15 students in this section right here. So we want to know this little portion right there. That's the extra students that played slides more than soccer. So let's go to the bottom box. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to take 18 and subtract 15 to equal the answer. So we are going to use our place value. There are 10s and our 1s. And we had 18, 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's do our subtrahend. We're taking only 15. So we have more than enough over here to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That leaves us with 3. And then we're going to take away 1, which leaves us with nothing in the tens box. That means there's only 3 students. 3 more students chose the slides than soccer. How did we do that? Let's go in our last box and write about it. So we subtracted 15 from 18 to equal 3. And that's how we did it. So guys, remember, make sure that when we first see a graph, you look for a key if there is one. This graph didn't have one, but some will. Look for a key. Look at the labels, the title, the axes, and we want to make sure we're using all these strategies to figure out how many of each item they're looking at so we can solve problems like this. And make sure when we solve these problems that we're using our 4-step process. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye.